Hi guys, so I am back with a final Year of the Ear video. I joined this swap earlier this year, so I haven't been around as long as other people have, but I really enjoyed getting these. I didn't get to participate in every single month, but on the months that I did, it just brought me so much joy to get this in the mail. I'm definitely going to miss doing this. I will say that it definitely has helped me with my Disney bounding outfits because I feel a lot more confident now when it comes to putting together ears to match my outfits. And the theme for this month is farewell, which is very fitting. So Year of the Ear is a monthly Mickey Mouse ear swap. You can either get it from a small shop or make your own. It's hosted by Tony and Mary over the SisketEars, but unfortunately, like I said, this is going to be the last month that we do one of these. I want to say thank you, of course, to Tony and Mary for allowing me to join their fun little group. I'm definitely going to miss it. I had seen someone else, I just kind of stumbled upon one of their videos about a year ago of them doing an unboxing of handmade Mickey Mouse ears, and I was very intrigued and excited, and I thought, I love crafting and I love Disney, and what a beautiful blend of the two things. But I am very excited about who these ears came from. I was really hoping this year that I would actually get to send them some ears. That didn't happen, so they sent me some, which is just so much fun. It's from Laura and Ryan, and they're in Ontario, Canada, and I'm in Canada as well. And I wasn't quite sure if I was going to get anything in the mail for this month because we do have a Canada Post strike that's going on. But because they're in Canada, they just used a different shipper. My license and my passport are both stuck somewheres in the mail. I decided to renew those when I got back from Florida in October, but I didn't get them back in time, so. I don't have any trips planned right now, not until spring. Okay, they sent me some stickers, and I'm assuming that they are stickers from Tokyo Disney, because they look to be in another language. So I think so, because they just did a trip to Tokyo, and I have to catch up on their videos. I've only seen one or two so far, and they gave me a little Christmas card. Oh, it's adorable. It's Mickey and Minnie and Pluto. They're decorating the Christmas tree. And they said, Happy Year of the Ear. I can't believe this is the last month. I am so excited to be sending to a fellow Canadian. For the final farewell, I decided to send 2 pairs of ears. Since it all started with a mouse, I wanted to wrap it up with 2 special mice who are festive for the upcoming holiday season. And for the second pair, I wanted to create something based on a saying that might resemble a goodbye. So may the force be with you. Yes! You know I love a Star Wars theme. That is so exciting. I actually was looking at Christmas Mickey ears. Pair 1, and it's got Pooh Bear on it. Oh my gosh, these are so perfect. They're so perfect. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I could cry. These are amazing. Oh my gosh, guys. Like, this is the thing that I love so much about this swap is that, like, I would never find these in the store. I'm not gonna find these in the store. And just look at how beautiful that is. And the little bow in the middle is just chef's kiss, guys. Chef's kiss. These are amazing. I love it so much. And I've never seen this fabric. That is just unbelievable. Like store quality ears that I would just be like, I need to have those. I need to have them. I don't like jinxing my trips by saying too early what I'm doing, but after my Paris trip in the spring, I am 1000% booking a Christmas trip to Disney World. I want to do their after hours events, their Christmas party, and also Jollywood Nights, and also want to see Epic Universe when it opens. So I'm packing these. I'm packing these with me. I might just wear these Christmas morning here in my apartment. That's what I'm gonna do. Thank you so much. And there's another pair. Pair number 2 with 2 poos. Whoa, that is awesome. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so unique. That's Baby Yoda or Grogu. Oh man, that is so awesome. I love Baby Yoda. He's adorable. I love The Mandalorian. I was a big fan of that. I am just becoming more and more of a big Star Wars geek as time goes on. You know what I didn't get to do when I went to Disney World in October, which I am just like kicking myself for doing, and it was only because I was too tired because I did 4 parks in one day, but they have a single rider on Rise of the Resistance at Galaxy's Edge, and I didn't go on it. I didn't go on it. I have to go back down, and I have to go on that multiple times as a single rider. I'm gonna have to like make a Baby Yoda dress to go with this. I think so, yeah. I don't know how you guys make 2 ears. I find it like a lot just to make 1 pair. I'm so sad, guys. Like, I'm so sad that this is the last time we're doing this. It just has brought so much joy to me to be part of this and to meet all of these wonderful people that are crafty and just so welcoming and love Disney. They're so perfect. I'm gonna have to make a dress for these too. Just to match them. I made a pair of ears that I just have been thinking all year about making. So I sent those to Erika DeOcampo. So definitely go check out that channel. And all of the other participants are listed below. And if you guys know of any Disney/crafting groups, YouTube groups, that you think would be a good fit for me, definitely let me know. So it is time to say farewell, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I also hope you have a colorful day.